What really happens inside your body the moment you start running? Why does your heart race, your breathing speed up, and your muscles burn? Today, we're diving inside the human body with our anime studio Stickman to discover the amazing science behind exercise. The instant you decide to run, your brain sends electrical signals through your nervous system. These lightning-fast messages tell your muscles to contract. Your muscles suddenly need more oxygen. The heart responds by pumping faster and stronger. Heart beats. Red heart, 70 BPM, 90 BPM, 120 BPM, 160 BPM. As your muscles demand more oxygen, your breathing rate increases. Oxygen enters your lungs, moves into your blood, and travels to every working muscle. Inside every muscle cell are tiny structures called mitochondria. They combine oxygen with glucose to produce ATP, the energy currency of your body. If exercise becomes too intense, your muscles can't get enough oxygen. So they switch to emergency mode and aerobic respiration. Lactic acid begins to build up. Your body also has an amazing cooling system. Sweat evaporates from your skin, carrying heat away. This prevents dangerous overheating. Even after you stop running, your body keeps working. Your heart continues pumping oxygen. Your muscles repair tiny tears. Over time, they become stronger. Every workout triggers thousands of incredible physiological processes inside your body. The better you understand them, the smarter you can train. If you enjoyed this episode, smash the like button, subscribe to Anime Studios, and tell us what body system we should explore next.